I think it's fair to say when it comes to cooking, I'm quite chaotic. VFC have reached out and sent me this one-pan wonder meal. I think they've got second-hand embarrassment from my cooking and have sent me a sympathy meal. It's a chickenless chicken fried rice and it's perfect if you're taking part in Veganuary. As you know, I'm on a health kick at the minute, so this is the perfect solution. You defrost the sauce, chuck it in a frying pan and wait 8 minutes. I can't believe they're actually paying me for this. Give it a mixy. This looks stunning. I've even managed to have a lie down on the sofa and look at all the chicken's lives I've saved by eating this chickenless fried rice.
Is that a chicken?
It's actually hard to believe how easy this is. This is more simple than me. After your 8 minutes are up, chuck the sauce on the rice. Guys, this is what it looks like. I wish there was such thing as smell vision, because this smells unreal. I'm gonna eat it out the saucepan because it saves me doing the dishes. I'm initiative thinking. Right, you ready? Cheers, guys. That is stunning. That's actually so good. This is 10 out of 10. You need to try it.